What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change your email address on Sofi. So let's get straight into the video. The first method is changing your email address through the Sofi's official website. So what you want to do here is to first log into your Sofi account on the website, and then you want to click on your profile picture or username at the top right corner, and then you want to select settings from the drop down menu, and then click on account settings or profile, and then you want to enter your new email address in the email field, and then confirm your new email address by re-entering it in the confirm email address field, and then just click on save changes to update your email address. The second method, of course, is to change email address through Sofi's mobile app. So what you want to do here, first of all, is to open the Sofi mobile app and log into your account, and then you want to tap on the more menu, and then you want to select settings, and then tap on account settings or profile, and then enter your new email address in the email address field. Confirm that by re-entering your new email address in the confirm email address field, and just tap save changes to update your email address. So for the verification process, Sofi is going to send you a verification email to your new email address. So what you want to do is to open your email, and then click on the verification link in that email to update your to confirm your new email address. So once verified, your new email will be updated in the Sofi account. So a couple of tips and reminders for you guys. The first is to update your email address carefully. So what you want to do is to double check your email address for accuracy to avoid any potential issues. And the second, of course, is to verify your new email address promptly. So you want to verify your new email address as soon as possible to ensure uninterrupted access to your Sofi account. The third, of course, is to contact Sofi support if needed. So you can always just reach out to Sofi support team if you have any questions or issues on changing your email address and such. So that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you liked it, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And please don't forget to ring that notification bell so you never miss another one of our awesome videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.